Welcome to the Create and Sell Notion Templates course. If you open the Create and Sell Notion Template course, you start on this first page, which is your dashboard page. You have a short tutorial, then you have the overview over the different chapters, and you also can see your progress. Furthermore, you have a list with valuable tools which help you when creating Notion templates, for example, different pages where you can get widgets from for Notion, or also completely random marketing tools which helps you in marketing your product. If you open the introduction page, you have some videos which give you an introduction into Notion, and you can just click through it. You also can see what is possible with Notion and an introduction to Gumroad. If you have an idea for what is possible with Notion, we start by gathering an idea. First, you can try to find your niche. Then, we have a template where you can create your own customer persona in Canva. And then, we can brainstorm together template ideas. If you have an idea, it's time to build your template. To build your template, there's an extra course section for setting up Notion, and you learn everything about how to set up Notion for a template in this video. And finally, you need to publish and market your template. First, you have a short introduction in how to publish your template on Gumroad, and then we really dive deep into how to market your template. You again have a Canva template you can use for making your own marketing funnel, and also several videos which show you, for example, how to use Etsy Insights to market your product. And finally, you have a database, a list with different content ideas, a description, and examples. Yeah, so have fun and enjoy building your first Notion templates. Thank you so much.